Think back to your high school chemistry class. They forced you to memorize the periodic table like a list of dry accidental ingredients. Through this, they were keeping you blind to the hidden code. Modern chemistry is simply the industrialized, repackaged remains of ancient alchemy. An element's atomic structure is not just an abstract scientific concept. It's the actual three-dimensional arrangement of its atoms. In a sense, every element has its own unique geometric pattern. When we look at a material using high-resolution transmission electron microscopy, we can see how its atoms are arranged. This atomic arrangement and shape determine how energy moves through the material, even forms of energy that we cannot see, such as electrons or light. Today, let's look at carbon, the fundamental element that forms the basis of all known biological life and many physical materials. A standard carbon-12 atom consists of exactly 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. When carbon atoms bond together under the right conditions, they naturally arrange themselves into flat sheets of perfectly repeating hexagonal rings. This arrangement forms materials such as graphene, while many stacked layers of these sheets form graphite. And by the way, graphene is widely regarded as one of the materials of the future because of its remarkable strength, electrical conductivity, and flexibility. In addition, synthetic graphene oxide nanotechnology is already being used in medicine, personal care products, food-related applications, and environmental technologies. But now, allow me to surprise you. As you have just seen, when carbon atoms bond together, they naturally form a hexagonal pattern, and this pattern is the foundation of the hexagram, the most powerful geometric sigil used in high-level occult summoning rituals to bridge our physical world with the abyss. The occult handles carbon structures because they realize the physical atomic geometry, meaning the six-sided ring, matches the spiritual signature required to anchor dark entities directly into the human body. In fact, carbon is the ultimate example of atomic structure functioning as a spiritual port. So, when a person like me views this periodic table, I see chemical weights and definitions. But when an occultist views it, they view it as a dictionary of physical sigils. Now, let us circle back to the can of worms I opened. The mark of the beast, according to Revelation, is 666. As you have seen, carbon-12 has a subatomic structure of 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons. When I arrived at this conclusion, there was one thing that became definitive. The mark of the beast will not be a tattoo or a barcode. It will be a systematic biological modification of the human race. Every single cell, every strand of DNA, and organic tissue inside your body is built on a framework of carbon-12, 666. The Apostle John explicitly noted that 666 is the number of a man. At the literal subatomic level, this is a statement of scientific fact. Man's fleshly suit is a 666 carbon-based machine. If this is the case, then the mark of the beast is an intentional modification designed to alter this natural 666 carbon framework. By introducing a highly advanced synthetic carbon material, such as hexagonal graphene oxide sheets, the enemy is introducing an artificial energy conducting network directly into human biology.